Guys, today is another day of me showing you this incredible signals group that I found on Telegram. Now, I'm very, very grateful that I found it because I've been searching for a long, long time, and I've spent thousands of dollars following signals that just made me zero money, all right? I've been using this for just over a month. I've been putting all my results on YouTube every single day so you can see them, go back through all the videos, showing you how much you can really make in a signals group that works. So let me show you what I'm talking about. Guys, I'm not a financial advisor, I do this for education purposes only, but this signals group I found, SignalPeak, is absolutely insane. All right, I'm very, very grateful that I found it, like I said, because it doesn't cost that much money, and I actually have a special discount code for you, so do stay until the end of the video. Now, what happens is they send you a signal yourself, and they'll send it from different groups. So now, on where you see SignalPeak, if you click on this, go to more, you'll see where it says SignalPeak bot. When you get here, you're going to have different options. You'll have 3-day free trial, which I urge you to use, okay? With the free trial, you don't just have to trust me. You can see for yourself without paying anything. Then, once you get kicked out of the groups after 3 days, you'll realize how great it was like I did, and you will try and pay your membership. Now, the monthly plan, you can see $99. The lifetime fee, you can see $350. I actually have a code FREEDOM100. That's FREEDOM 100, and you can get $100 off. So it'll be $250 for a lifetime. You only have to pay this once, never again. What do you exactly get? So you can see down the left-hand side of my screen, I've got all these premium signal channels. So this one service forwards all signals from all of the best channels. You get daily 10 to 30 trading signals, VIP support, very good risk management, okay? And you can see Binance Killers, FRI, Bitcoin Bullets, Always Win Premium. All these ones here are all these channels I have. So let's have a look at some of them. First one here, American Crypto, right? This is incredible. What they will do is they will send you a signal, okay? A signal looks like this. They will send you the token, so HIGH over USDT. They will tell you direction, so long, cross is 25. They'll give you the entry. This is the exact entry, guys, that you should get in. And don't try and do this yourself. Just copy exactly what they say. And they'll give you multiple take profits. This one gives you 6, okay? The invalidation price will be 2.9416. And, guys, if this wins, they will also show you the profit. Now, let's have a look at some of them. The last profit, 125%, 150%, 150%. Guys, you're making over 125% nearly on every single signal that you just copy off someone that's already done the analysis for you. That's just one group. There's 10 others. You can see Crypto Arman VIP, Binance Killers do the same thing. All right, this last one, 13.2% profit. As you go down, you'll see the different profits, 23% profit. They're really, really premium signals, guys. Now, each one of these groups will probably send you like 1 or 2 signals a day, so it's really good to be in all of them. That's why SignalPeak is incredibly good. Now, again, please know I have that code FREEDOM100, FREEDOM 100. You'll get $100 off, but only if you message it them on Telegram with that link down below. Okay, say I've got a code FREEDOM100, and they'll know you came from me. They'll give you the discount. This is fantastic, guys. Do not miss out on this. Go through all the videos on this channel. You'll see I've been posting about this every single day. The followers are going up. People are making money. I just want you guys, my community, to make some money too. So please like this video, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell, and I will see you tomorrow.